Welcome to Top Cars Review
2019 Alpine A110 review. Don't expect to see the Alpine A110 parked on every suburban street in Australia. Capped sales to comply with low-volume sales restrictions mean Renault's take on a purpose-built mid-engined racer for the road will always be a rare spot on Aussie streets. Does it deserve a better fate? After a week with the A110 Premier Edition, of which only 60 units will reach these shores, it really does, but to go with limited numbers, a $106,500 price, before on-road costs, will ensure a new Alpine lies beyond the reach of the casual auto enthusiast. There's no doubt those that do find homes here will slot into garages as playthings alongside more sensible family cars in 3- and 4-car garages for the well-heeled. There's also the very real possibility that some will be put into use as daily drivers. Rob has already driven the A110 under launch conditions in France, while Tony had the pleasure of thrashing one at Targa High Country. Me. After a day on some of my favorite twisty roads, I drove it to work, took it shopping and freewayed to the Geelong Revival. No, that's not what a car like this is designed to do. I know it all too well. It is, however, a very likely scenario for plenty of A110 owners. I see a chap dailying his Boxster Spider to and from work most days, so it's no leap to think this car might be treated the same way, and there's no better way to measure its capacity to function, also, as something of a grand tourer. Of course there are compromises. A mid-engined layout ensures some of those, but others are mysteries of design, particularly when it comes to practicality in the cabin.